Okay, no problem.
You just approved my request, okay?
Done.
Thank you.
Okay, so how are you, dear?
Yeah, I'm doing well, ma'am. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. As we are meeting very first time, so could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. So, as you know, my name is Mampi Chakravorty. I'm from West Bengal. So, earlier I used to be a teacher in a private school. So, due to my pregnancy, I left that job, and it's been 5 years I'm not working anywhere. And yeah, in between, I have completed my uh, master in arts twice, second time, and then I started learning English language. And nowadays, I'm pursuing a course. It's a ECC educator course.
Which kind of course?
It's a teacher training course.
Okay, teachers training course. So
Hmm.
what you have done in your qualification?
Yeah, I have completed my master twice. First time in Sanskrit language and second time in work education.
Okay, okay. Nice to hear you. And shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Yeah.
I would love to
As you know that
know.
my name is Monica and I am a YouTuber. I am working on my communication skills nowadays and I am academic teacher also in KBs. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English and B.Ed honors with English and SST. And I have qualified CTET examination also for the teaching field. It is necessary right now in every state, I would say.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that's all about me. Thanks for asking.
Okay, that's great to know about you, ma'am. So you are working in KV.
Yes.
Okay.
Last 1 year. Last since 1 year ago, I started my job, and nowadays I am actually this is my part-time job, like a hobby, extra hobbies which I in enhancing my skills and more, and reaching more people and explore more things about English language. What is the scenario of different people? As you know that every this is a competitive word we are hailing in this competitive world, so everybody chasing their goal, you know.
Exactly.
Everybody wants to chase their goal and accomplish their goal by hook or by crook. So that's why I am also behind of them, and I need to be a good communicator as my profession. Also, I am a educator, I am a teacher, so that's why I'm enhancing this skill right now.
Yeah, exactly. That is really crucial nowadays. And a communication skill is one of the soft skill that mandatory for each and every field. Not only teaching, not only in corporate, each and every. If you are a homemaker, you are not doing anything, but still, communication skill is very important. So, yeah, there are a lot of benefits. So, yeah, I also agree, totally agree with you. I am also, running behind that because I was a introvert person, shy person, and from that I can say now I'm very comfortable with strangers through audio or through video call. So this is my improvement.
Yes,
I
yes.
did really hard work for that. And just because of improving my communication skill and track my progress, I have started my YouTube channel as well. So I'm not consistent with it.
How have you been started your YouTube channel?
It's like August. From August, I have started, and I'm not consistent to be honest because I have a lot of things on my plate. I have to handle. Actually, my daughter is too young. She is 5 years old. I have to look after her each and everything, her study and all things. And I'm helping my husband's business, so I'm occupied in the daytime. And in the evening time, I am providing
What kind of
tuitions home.
business you have?
Oh, it's a restaurant business. So, managing all things by one hand, it's not possible.
Yes,
That is
yes.
the reason, I thought that, okay, I'm at home now, then I should help my husband, then it would be better. Then we don't need any staff, hired a staff. So I'm helping him. I we have helping hands. They are preparing things,
Yes.
but taking care of them, one person is needed, right?
Yes, yes,
Supervising them.
right, right.
So, yeah. So I'm doing this that thing, and at evening time I was free. But nowadays I'm providing home tuition for small kids, including my daughter as well, because she alone, she doesn't want to study. So I thought that if I bring two to three kids along with her, then might be she will
You
increase
have
her
two kids
interest.
or three kids?
No, only one kid and students.
Okay.
My students,
I
yeah.
I thought I have two, three kids.
No,
I
they
wondered.
actually, yeah, they came to my home for taking
Okay,
tuitions.
okay, okay. You
Yeah,
you also you take tuitions, home tutor,
yeah,
na? Okay,
home
good.
tuition. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
But I
no,
didn't
my,
get time for home tuitions. Like, nah, my plate is full already. I am a academic teacher and household chores are there. So I
yeah,
didn't get so much time for. And I
exactly.
have to teach my own kids also. I have two
Yeah,
kids, like, nah, both are sons. And my elder son is 6 years old, and my younger is 3.5 years old right now. So I have to
okay,
taking care of them. So I fed up.
exactly.
My whole day is very tired out.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
okay. So
exactly.
what's your name? I forgot your name.
Mampi. My name is Mampi.
Mampi. Okay, right. Then you messaged me. I thought there is any male, Mampi. Nah, look like na by the name look like I think there is any male. So okay, I connect with you and it's a nice to meet you. And Mampi, as you know that English speaking, this is a very demandable language nowadays. Every person wants to learn this language. So tell me, I have some questions. If you share these
Yeah,
answers, so I will be very grateful to you.
yeah, yeah,
So,
definitely, ma'am.
yeah.
I'll try my level
Okay. Okay.
best.
So, let's get the ball rolling. So, my first question is what are the challenges you have faced in your learning journey in English? Tell me.
Okay, so I have started from scratch. I couldn't know, I mean, I didn't know a single word in English. I mean, speaking, if I talk about speaking, because I knew that how to read, how to write. But, while speaking, I was terrified because I don't know what kind of fear I had. But when is some people is speaking in front of me, I mean, spoke in front of me, I eloped from that place. Just that much fear I had. So one day I thought that, yeah, this is the time I have to start. And I started from scratch. I didn't know anything. So I faced really lot of difficulties. First is, speaking in front of people, first fear. I overcome somehow. And then speaking in front of groups. That was my second fear. And I overcome that also. I started, listening people how they are speaking about topics. Yeah, topics also, regular conversation I managed somehow.
Yes.
But when people are throwing topic, that time I was terrified that how could I speak about topic. I couldn't know like words regarding those topics, so I disconnect call multiple time. So though that was one difficulty I can say, and speaking in
You
front of
had little bit fear at that time, right?
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I
Okay.
had. And then speaking in front of group, like 5 to 10 people were there, they're discussing about any topic. I was listening them. I couldn't speak. I just listened simply. So then I observed them how they are speaking. As much as possible, I started listening some related to topic. Some I started reading. I started observing people how they are, elaborating their thought according to that topic. So that's how I started gathering knowledge, and I start speaking. Not with the group. I had some few people, I mean, common girl friends. So I started 2 to 3 friends. I started with practicing with them in a topic discussion. Like this, I improved myself and I gathered courage. And then last fear was speaking in front of camera. Oh my God, I was, I still remember when first time I faced the camera. That time I couldn't speak. Already I have spent 1 year about this language, but when I realized that I wasn't able to speak a single word in front of camera, that time I thought, oh my God, then I have to work upon it. And when I recognize multiple time, when I recognize my fear, my difficulties, I work towards that and I overcome.
Because na in the scenario of learning this language, many one of them, we are co-learners, we are little bit afraid of making mistakes. But
Exactly.
mistakes are the part from our learning, so we cannot
Yeah,
need to afraid of any type of mistakes. But on the
exactly.
other hand, moreover, we can say that if you do mistakes, if you make mistakes in your learning journey, you have to correct also. You should
Exactly.
correct your mistakes as well. If you didn't correct your mistakes, and your mistakes maybe regular basis, you repeat the same mistake again and
Yeah,
again, so it is not the part of learning, because we
exactly.
unwillingly we do that. Because learning, it means you have to improve yourself day by day, you have to polish your language day by day. If you do mistakes, for example, I mistakes while tenses, like regarding tenses, speaking, like sentence structure. Sometime I also didn't able to make the frame the sentence correctly. But I have to clear myself. I have to make one video, 15 minutes video from my camera regularly, and I take one word or two word daily. And I actually frame the sentences, four or five sentences on the daily basis on those particular
Hmm.
word, so that I can enhance my sentence structure problem.
Exactly.
Because I have I so last actually last 6 months ago I started my YouTube channel. So there is no there is a very slow progress in my YouTube channel, but I hope that it is gradually I reach at the top. So
Exactly.
step and step, by and by, we can improve our English. But it is necessary regarding learning language and your language journey. You should rectify your mistakes as well. You don't repeat again. Don't repeat that word.
Exactly.
Don't repeat that mistakes. It is the progress. It is called the progress in
Yeah.
my eyes. What would you say
Exactly.
about this?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I'm totally agree with you because just because of that, I have started my YouTube channel now. Because when we watch our own videos, we recognize a lot of mistakes. That sentence formation, it could be sentence formation, it could be tenses. There are a lot of mistakes, and when we are able to recognize our own mistake, it saved in our subconscious mind that in that time we have to be focused that where I'm making mistakes. So yeah, I improved a lot. Really, I when I started my YouTube channel, that was the right decision I have taken, because now I can see my progress, that where I was and how much improvement I'm getting now.
Because we are learning also, as well as our YouTube channel
Hmm,
is also growing slowly and gradually, as well as we can learn, and we are learning day by day by this
exactly.
process, and we can become and we are able to explore myself, explore our personality development also is there. So many plus point are there behind the
Yeah.
YouTube channel. You,
Yeah.
if you suppose you are a teacher, you are working in anywhere, and if you open your YouTube channel like 6 months ago or 4 months ago, is that anywhere? So you cannot actually lost anything. You have no any kind of loss if
Hmm.
you are in working, because this is our side work, this is our part-time job, like na. This is our
Exactly.
part-time hobby. Like we are enjoying while learning. We are enjoying our journey as well. So we
Yeah.
have no kind of headache that our YouTube channel is not growing properly. It's okay. It's gradually. It depends on the people's mindset, na, so my friend said to me yesterday that your YouTube channel is running slowly. So I told her that it's okay. I am enjoying, and as well as I am learning so many things behind of it. So don't not to worry.
Exactly.
It is gradually uh, uh, progressing. It's okay by my side. So this is the this so many people thinks that our YouTube channel is not properly not growing well, and subscribers are also less. How can it happens? So it is the, I would say, there are a lot of hard work, a lot of
Yeah.
we can say diligency
Yeah.
of our behind the progress of YouTube journey. So many people have 2 or 3 like now million subscriber. So they had done a lot of diligency and
Hard work.
working hard in their life, so they get success. So this is the
Yeah.
this is because all the scenario, it depends on your hard work.
Exactly. I indeed, because I also feel the same. Who are giving their 100% on YouTube, they are getting success. And if I talk about I'm not getting time. I'm not consistent. Even what happened, weekly might be once or twice I'm uploading video. So how could I get that much success? What that person, he or she is active regularly, uploading videos, shorts, and
Because you
things.
remains busy in your business also, na.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is also
exactly.
your benefit, na. You
Yeah.
helps your husband in the business, so it should be
Hmm.
a plus point for you. Whether it is there is no loss, because you are in working woman,
Hmm.
so it's okay. It progress gradually and slowly.
Yeah, 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 exactly.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
not focusing on that subscription and views. I'm
yes, yes.
focusing on myself because it is very important. I have that resolution that in 2026 I have to reach C1
Yeah,
level.
same.
Anyhow,
We are the same
exactly.
page. I had also resolution last year in the month of October. I have to start my channel and I have to do something for me, for my personality development actually.
Yeah,
Because if we talk about now academics based on the syllabus totally. They
yeah,
didn't get focus about the regarding communication skills of students. They
yeah,
focus only the complete the syllabus according the classes. We have to complete the syllabus by hook or by crook. So there is no
yeah,
focus of communication skills. If we want to improve our personality development, so we have to do ourselves, our get so
exactly.
many efforts we have to
Okay.
take in our personality development.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
dear, I have some questions regarding a part of speech. So there is like a conjunction. This is my topic, conjunctions, grammar. It is related to grammar. Do you
Okay.
aware? Do you aware the chapter of conjunctions?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I
So,
can. Yeah.
let me tell one question. How many kinds of how many kinds of conjunctions are there?
Actually, I don't have that knowledge, but
Okay, okay.
connectors,
So let me tell
what,
you. Yeah, when I started my learning journey on YouTube channel, I upload my solo videos like na grammar structure, like conjunctions, like prepositions, tenses. These are the things, and there is a one topic like conjunctions. So conjunctions are two kinds, like subordinating and coordinating. So first we talk about the subordinating conjunctions like coordinating. Coordinating conjunction, it means when we teach students in front of the class, you know. So how can we teach them like as a trick, as a trick, or we have to tell them as a detail wise. Uh, so what is the preference you should prefer? What is the method you should prefer to teach them? like a details and like a short trick.
Yeah, definitely details. When we are presenting in detail in front of kids, they will learn better and more and easily. So
Yes,
I
yes.
should prefer, yeah, details. And
Details.
yeah, in spoken English, what happened? We should know, aware. We should have that aware about that parts of speech, and in a brief. So I learned each and everything in a brief, not a deep dive into those
I want to
things.
explain you in a nutshell, like coordinating conjunctions are there, called them fanboys. Uh, when last year I cracked a government exam job for the post of PGT, TGT, and lecturership job is there. So I cracked one exam of English language. There were so many, like 100 questions of grammar. So I
Mhm.
took classes. I took the coaching classes, like na on online coaching. So where my mentor uh, taught me, like how can you teach your kids or your students in academic, like na fan voice. It means it's a trick, and it is very good trick, I would say. So I have learned it totally in my mind. So that is the reason behind of it. So fan voice, it means F for F means for का use करेंगे in the conjunction, and A for and, like two words you should connect two words,
Yeah.
and जैसे for example
Mhm.
Ram and Shyam are good friends, like this.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
and next is N for nor. Nor यानी कि for example you
Neither is nor.
nor I take coffee, nor I take like tea or coffee. What would you like to take, tea or coffee? So you should say, you should speak out like nor, negative sense, in the negative sense.
Yeah.
Next is
Neither
O for
coffee
or.
nor
Yeah,
tea.
or either
Yeah.
or neither nor. You should we should use like this. Why
Hmm.
for, it means yet. Although he is very poor, yet honest, like this. So we can make our small sentences like na in conjunction portion. As for so, denotes result, like she
Yeah.
works a lot hard, he get good marks, like this. So I learned very by heart. So I remembered that chapter should be shared with you, like this na. So this is the
Okay.
criteria of competitive exams. Small tricks we teachers most of the time taught us by the small tricks, so that we can learn that trick by heart in our mind. Because
Yeah.
whenever we went for our exam, so there only the trick, it feed in our mind, so we could do that sums very easily. Not the academic
Yeah.
schools. I am talking about the competitive exams. So this is very necessary. So tricks are
Yeah.
also very beneficial, different criterias.
Yeah.
So
So that fanboy, you are talking about fanboy. So it includes which criteria? Like you told, na, that two
yeah,
criteria are there.
yeah, criteria, it means it stands fan voice, it means it stands for F means for
No,
conjunction. Yeah.
I got that, but two types of conjunctions were there, you told.
Yeah, this is
So,
the
in,
coordinating, and second part is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating
okay.
conjunctions, like a dependent clause or independent clause. You read about the intermediate section. You
Yeah,
read.
yeah,
Okay, you studied, na?
yeah.
So subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which includes principal clause and subordinate clause are there. This is, for example, I stayed at home because it was raining heavily. So I
Hmm.
stayed at home is the principal clause first, and second, because it was raining, that is the subordinate clause. Okay,
Reason.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the subordinate clause example, and there are so
Mhm.
many examples like because, where, although, unless, until. So many
Yeah.
words are there included in subordinate clause. Actually,
Okay.
I usually teach language in my school. That's why I also point everything in come in my mind.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why.
yeah. Exactly.
Yes, yes.
So you are taking English literature
Literature
in
and
your,
language both.
Mm. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you have qualified that what UGC,
CTET, CTET
CTET.
examination. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is a government job. So is
It
mm,
is necessary in the private sector also as well as government. Now, management actually this is the this criteria was started since 2014, where
mhm.
before marriage I started my journey, my teaching journey since 2014 to 2017. I taught in a private school, and after getting married I have to stop my journey, my learning journey,
Yeah,
because
there is
there
no
are a lot
way.
of changes after getting married, you know.
Mm.
So again I started my journey like 2024, when my son has brought up and like grown up, like he's 6 years old right now, so it is good enough and mature. So I have to
Mm.
start my journey again, and I cracked the CTET examination. And after that I tried for the post of a teacher, like a English subject, but I didn't get opportunity at that time also, because there is no recruitment at that time. And
Mm.
again I started like 2025. Finally I got a job
Yeah.
there. Yes,
Yeah.
this is
So
my
no,
journey.
KV is one kind of government job, right? You are
Like
getting.
yeah, they actually they hire contractual teacher on the contract basis. Yeah.
Okay.
So I
You are
am
in
a
contract.
contract basis right now, and this is
Hmm.
my second year. I'm giving my services in KBS, and I am very happy in present
Yeah.
time, because the criteria of teaching is very nice in that school. All
Yeah.
because there is a NCRT, actually NCRT syllabus is there. So I have last not two or three books of literature and language, both are combined, and there are no any restriction that you only should need to teach in Hindi. No, bilingual classes we have to take, because uh, children's criteria are different, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
every
Exactly.
every child come from the different environment, you know.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
that is why it is not compulsory only English you have to speak both bilingual, you should teach bilingual. So this is the
Hmm.
criteria of that school.
Hmm.
So
Exactly.
it is beneficial for me also. But opportunities, if I talk about communication skills, opportunity is not there, little bit
Yeah.
less. So that's why I have to start my this channel, for me, for my development.
Yeah, yeah,
Nothing than that.
definitely. This is the right way, I can say. Because as a homemaker or, working professional, we can't go outside and gather, make a gathering with other people, strangers. So this is the right way. Online, through online, we are communicating with each other. Now I am from West Bengal, you are from another states, but we are, interacting with each other. So this
Yes,
is the
yes.
best way, I can say. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what is your favorite, what is the favorite food and dish of West Bengal?
Yeah, so sweets are famous in West Bengal. Dessert sweets. So this is famous. You can't get this kind of sweets entire India. It's famous in Bengal only. And second thing is fish items. Fish items is really unique, and there are variety type of way of or I can say that ways of preparing dish, fish
Okay,
items.
so traditional, if we talk about tradition, like which kind of festival is famous of your side?
Yeah, Durga Puja. It's
Durga
in
Puja,
your
yeah,
side might be Navratri, and in our side Durga Puja is the
is the
biggest
is
festival.
yeah,
Yeah,
biggest festival of West Bengal.
yeah,
Because
exactly.
I am aware of West Bengal's traditions and customs. It looks like, I got my past memories, where then I went to I went there in West Bengal side, my one of my friends' marriage, and there
Okay.
are for 5 years ago I went there, and a lot of things, and the rituals are much different of ours rituals. Na customs are so much different, like na. So I
Exactly.
enjoyed a lot of my friend's marriage. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the wrap up of the session. This is the only
Yeah.
5 minutes are left for our session. So it is very nice to meet you, and I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed the session.
Yeah, actually, feelings are mutual. I really enjoyed the session and I learned a lot of things from you and hope we will connect soon
Yeah, yeah,
again.
definitely we will. I hope also connect again whenever we will get time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, thank you.